How to find trending sounds on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go directly to your TikTok application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? On the bottom part, you will see a plus icon there. Tap on that and tap on add sound here. Now, if you click on that add sound here, actually you will see your for you here, your favorites and more here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you will go here to your TikTok hot music. So if you tap on all here, you will see all the trending sounds on TikTok. Now, the other way to actually find a trending sounds on TikTok is to actually look for it through your Spotify. So go here to your Spotify application, go here to your search, and then tap on TikTok here, and then tap on TikTok 2023 trending viral music hits, and then here you will see your trending sounds on TikTok and just search it to your TikTok. And basically, that is how you find trending sounds on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.